Namaste children. In previous class we learned about relations and today we are going to learn functions. Among several relations that exists between two non-empty sets, some special relations are important for further exploration. Such relations are called functions. For example, if you go to a bookshop to buy a book, if you take out a book, there is only one price corresponding to it. It does not have two prices corresponding to it. So that is what we are going to give the input that is related to the output. For example, we have to take an input value as 1 and output. So one book rupees 10 means 1 into 10. 1 tens are 10. Suppose we want to buy 2 books more. 2 books means 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. 3 books means 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. So this into 10 is called the function of the process. So what we are going to give the input and output connect பண்றது function. So in mathematically, a relation F between two non-empty set x and y is called a function from x to y. If for each x, small x is the element of capital X, there exists only one small y is the element of capital Y, such that x comma y is the element of F. F we can represent x comma y for all x is the element of capital X and small y is the element of capital Y. Comparing the definitions of relations and function, every function is a relation. Thus, every function the subsets of the relation and the relation is the subsets of Cartesian products. Now, already we learnt about domain, codomain and range. This domain is called in the function is pre-image. Codomain is called as image. Let us see the exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.3. Let f is equal to x comma y such that x, y is the element of natural numbers and y is equal to 2x is the equation. This be a relation on n. Find the domain, codomain and range. Is this relation a function? So first solution for the set x. X is a natural number. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 etc. Y value also a natural number. So again we can take 1, 2, 3 etc. Then substitute in this equation y is equal to 2x. Y equal 2 into x. X value we can take from the first set 1. 1 2s are 2. Then take the second value 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now write the function f. F is equal to x comma y. So x value is 1, y value is 2. 1 comma 2. Next x value is 2, y value is 4. 2 comma 4, 3 comma 6, etc. So in this natural numbers, there is no ending value is given. Less than 10, less than 15 and the ending value so illa. So we can take first 3 or 4 number is enough. Let us find the domain. Domain is considered as the first set of the function. So the first set is x. X values are 1, 2, 3. So the domain value is 1, 2, 3, etc. And next is codomain. Is the second set of the function. The second set is y. So y value is 1, 2, 3, etc. And third is you want to find the range of a function. Range so what are the process we have to done here? 2, 4, 6. That is the range. So already we completed 3 questions, domain, codomain and range. The next one is this relation, a function. It is a relation, a function. We want to check. Yes, this relation is a function because நம்ம என்ன natural numbers கொடுத்தாலும் answer may be a natural numbers ஆக answer இருக்கு. So it is a function. Yes, this relation a function. Second question, let x equal 3, 4, 6, 8. Determine whether the relation R is equal to x, f of x such that small x is the element of capital X and f of x is given x square plus 1 is a function from x to n. That is, we have to substitute in this equation for the x value. The x values are you substitute பண்றப்ப the values may be in natural number means it is a function. It is not a natural number means it is not a function. So let us see the answer. Take f of x quotient. F of x is equal to x square plus 1. Take x value. X is the element of capital X. So the capital X values are given 3, 4, 6, 8. So we have to substitute here. First take 3. 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. F of 4. 4 square plus 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1. 17. F of 6. 6 square plus 1. 36 plus 1. 37. F of 8. 8 square plus 1. 64 plus 1. 65. So, it is a function or not? 10, 17, 37, 65. All the values are natural number. So, f is a function from, R is a function from x to n. See the third one. Given the function f such that x gives x square minus 5x plus 6 and evaluate the following. The first subdivision is f of minus 1. So take this is f of x quotient. F of x equal x square minus 5x plus 6. Now we want to replace the x value as minus 1. So minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. Minus 1 square, minus into minus plus. So plus 1, again minus into minus plus, 5 ones are 5 plus 6. So totally it is 12. Second subdivision, f of 2a. So substitute the x value as 2a. 2a square minus 5 into 2a plus 6. 2 2s are 4. A into a square. So 2a whole square means 2a into 2a, 4a square. Minus 5 2s are 10a plus 6. 6 is a constant. A and a square are different variables. So we can't add the value. Let us see the third one. F of x minus 1. So replace the x value. X minus 1 whole square minus 5 into x minus 1 plus 6. X minus 1 whole square. It's look like a square, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square value is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So like this, you want to write x square plus 1 square is 1 minus 2ab minus 5 into x, 5x, minus into minus plus, 5 ones are 5, plus 6. X square 2x plus 5x is 7x, 1 plus 11 is 12. So the answer is x square minus 7x plus 12. Here also we have a different variables and constant, so we can't add. Next question, let f of x equal 2x plus 5 is the given question. If x is not equal to 0, then find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. So take f of x, 2x plus 5. Take a numerator. Numerator we have two values, that is f of x plus 2 and f of 2. First we can substitute in f of x plus 2. f of x plus 2. So x value we have to replace x plus 2. 2 into x. x ku badila x plus 2 substitute panna porom. Plus 5. Now multiple with both the values. 2 into x, 2x. 2 2s are 4 plus 5. 2x plus 4 plus 5 is 9. Next take f of 2. Now x place we can take 2. 2 into 2 plus 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Substitute in this value f of x plus 2. f of x plus 2 is 2x plus 9 minus f of 2 minus f of 2 value is 9 divided by x. Plus 9 minus 9 0. 2x divided by x. Here x cancel. Remaining 2 is the answer.